Captain, something's wrong. Help is not responding. What's the issue? Rudder is stuck at 10 degrees to port. No response on the wheel.
Chief Officer, sound the general alarm and notify the crew.
Aye, Captain. Attention, all crew, emergency steering failure. Stand by for instruction.
Second Officer, check nearby traffic. Any risk of collision?
Closest vessel is a container ship. Nautical miles of our port bound. It's on a cruising course.
Alert them now. Try emergency manual steering.
Aye, Captain. Still no response.
Chief Engineering, we've lost steering. What's happening?
Checking now, Captain. Electrical power to the steering system is unstable. Could be a wiring fault or a control unit failure.
Can you switch to emergency power?
I'll try. Stand by. Chief Engineering recruit power manually. Sparks fly from a damaged wire. There's a short circuit. We need to isolate the faulty section first. Give me 5 minutes.
The container ship is closing in.
Send a warning signal.
This is MV Baltic Harmony, experiencing steering wheel failure. We are currently unable to maneuver. Keep clear.
Should we prepare anchors in case we need to stop? Not yet. Let's wait for the Chief Engineering update.
Power restored. Health control should be back. Try it now, Captain.
Helmsman, SOE.
Rather responding, sir.
We're stabilizing on course. Sir, traffic is adjusting to avoid us. No immediate danger now.
Well done, team. Chief Engineer, I want a full system check once we reach port.
Understood, Captain. We'll ensure this doesn't happen again.
Excellent work, everyone. Waiting for readiness until we're clear of traffic. Let's bring her safely into Singapore.